Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Philips BHC017 Hair Dryer. As you can see on the front of the package, we have an image of the hair dryer. We also have an image of the attachment, some Philips branding on the top, and some salient features on the bottom right. The salient features include 1200 watt power, a TP mode or thermo protection technology, and foldable handle. The left hand side of the package is pretty much the same. On the right hand side, we have a few more of the salient features, which include 3 fan speeds, a setting which will blow air out at room temperature, and some warranty information. We recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have a sticker with some manufacturing and importing information, and on the bottom of the sticker, we have the customer care information. On top, we have an image of the hairdryer, but the back side of the hairdryer. On the bottom, we have a barcode and some other information that is not relevant. On the back of the package, we have some information that we have already covered on the other sides of the box. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. What we get in the box is some reading material in the form of a user manual. It'll help you get started off with using the product and understanding its functions. The user manual also has a warranty card section which can be filled out to register for the warranty. Next, we have an airflow module that helps direct the airflow coming off the hairdryer and it can be attached to the hairdryer like this. We get another module which is sort of like a hairbrush, and Philips calls it the brush diffuser module, and it can be attached the same way. This helps give the hairdryer, the air coming off the hairdryer, a more focused reach into the middle of the hair. Coming to the hairdryer itself, it is clear that it has a pink color theme going for it. We can see various shades of pink all across. There's a light pink in the middle. On the back, we have a floral grill pattern, and there's a darker pink around it. On the left hand side, we have a floral pattern, and the Philips branding is behind it. There's also a bit of clear plastic on the front, which gives it an aesthetic appeal. We can see that the hairdryer is foldable, and it can be folded up completely to make it more compact and can be shoved in travel bags and make it easy to take on the go. On the handle, we have the switches, and there are 4 settings on the switch panel. The first up is the off mode. One step up is the mode where it will blow air at room temperature and not start with the heating coils. Next up is the thermal protection mode, which will blow out slightly hotter air, and that will help protect your hair follicles. Next up is the maximum full blast setting, which has the fan speed set on maximum, and the heat will be at its maximum as well. Coming to the base of the handle, we can see that it has a hoop here, so it can be hung on to anything when it's not in use. Coming to the cable, we have a flat white cable, so hopefully it should not tangle up too much. And when it comes to the length, it's approximately 1.5 meters long. So this was the unboxing of the Philips BHC017 Hair Dryer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.